Hi friends, welcome to Cool Ketchup. Today we are going to see bread sandwich. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you will get the latest updates. Come, let's get started with the ingredients. The sandwich, which is a easy, quick recipe for evening snacks. Let's see how to prepare it. Let us see a bread recipe which can be served as a evening snack, which can be made very quickly in the evening. Let us see the ingredients needed to get it started. I have taken bread slices which I have cut it diagonally and made into triangle. It is normal milk bread. Then thin slice of cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 thinly sliced onion, 1 thinly sliced capsicum like this, then 1 thinly sliced tomato, salt to taste, and red chili powder and chaat masala to taste. Now to prepare this veggies, I have taken a non-stick kadai and added 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you want ghee, you can add. If not, you can add even oil. And I have added onions. Now let us add the tomatoes. You can add any veggies like cabbage, carrot, or even sweet corn. But I have added only 3 veggies today: onion, tomato, and capsicum, because it gives a tricolor to this sandwich. And you can saute for a minute. Don't saute for a long time because you need the veggies to be little crunchy. If you saute for a long time, it becomes very soft and soggy. So don't saute much. Now I am going to add the red chili powder. You can add red chili powder according to your taste. Then chaat masala. Then salt to taste. So if you want more spicy, you can adjust the red chili powder. Once the spices are added, you can sort the vegetables just so that the spices will get mixed nicely with the vegetables. Like this, you can just sort for a minute. Once it is sorted for a minute, you can switch off the flame, and I'm going to add the sauce, that is tomato sauce, because now it will be more spicy. So if you add this tomato sauce, it gives little tangy flavor to this vegetables. So now it is done. Now let us prepare the sandwich. I have taken the dosa tawa. We are going to toast the bread, plain bread, for 1 minute so that the bread will be very soft. So if you toast it for a minute on both the sides, it becomes little crispy. For that I am going to toast like this on both the sides for a minute and keep. Then we can keep the veggies inside the bread. Now it is toasted. I am going to transfer to a plate. Now I'm going to add a cheese slices. This first layer I'm adding cheese slice. Like this we are going to add the cheese slices. Then second layer I'm going to add the vegetables. You can just nicely press it so that it will not come out. So once if it is done, you can cover with the one more bread slices, and you can press it slightly so that it will be packed inside. So like this you can just arrange the bread. Now it is done. Now I am going to keep it on the dosa tawa. You can add just 1 or 2 drops of ghee so that it will be nice. Now you can just heat for a minute or two on both the sides, so that once it is hot, the cheese slicer will start to melt, so that the veggies also will stick nicely to the cheese and gives nice taste to the sandwich. See, one side it is cooked. You can flip to the other side. Now our sandwich is ready. See here, you can see the veggies and cheese, it got nicely packed inside. You can see the cheese, how nicely it got melted. Cheese lovers will really love sandwich with cheese. Now our cheese sandwich is ready. I hope you will like this sandwich. Please try it out and leave your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.